Hi, I am Uğur from Huawei Developers and welcome to the Huawei tutorial series. In this video, we will learn what is the banners, how to use banners, how to integrate the Huawei Edge SDK, how to add banners to our application, standard banners, dimensions and smart banners features. A banner is presented as a bar or block at the top, middle or bottom of the screen within an app with high visibility for users who use the app regularly or for a long time. Before adding banners, you should integrate the Huawei Mobile Services Edge SDK into your project and initialize the Huawei Mobile Services Edge SDK. After that, you can use the banner view object. There are two methods to create the banner view object. The first one is to edit XML layout file. The second one is use coding. You should choose one of them. We will learn both cases on the following pages. Now let's look at how to add Maven repository address in project level build.gradle file on Android Studio. The next step is to add build dependencies to the build.gradle file in the app directory of your project. If your app will cover both Huawei mobile phones and non-Huawei Android phones, integrate the Huawei Edge SDK into your app. If your app will run only on Huawei mobile phones, integrate the Huawei Edge Lite SDK. Ensure that the Huawei Mobile Services core version is 4.0.0.300 or later. Otherwise, APIs provided by Huawei Edge SDK cannot be used. After Maven configuration, let's look at how to add Huawei Mobile Services Edge dependencies to app level build.gradle file. You can find the latest version on developer.huawei.com in Huawei Mobile Services Edge Kit section. After that, you should click the synchronization icon on the toolbar to synchronize the Gradle files. After completing the preceding configuration, click the synchronization icon on the toolbar to synchronize the Gradle files. As I mentioned before, there are two methods to use the banner ads. We will look at the first one, edit XML file. We add banner view to the XML layout file and set HWEdge add ID to the add unit ID and HWEdge banner size to add dimensions. After that, we can create banner view object using banner view reference which in the XML layout file. Now let's see other method which is use coding. Add banner view to the code and set the add unit ID and add dimensions. After adding banner view, load and add using the load_add method in the banner view class. You can listen for add events using the methods in the add listener class. I will introduce these methods, what they are doing. OnAdd clicked is called when an add is clicked. OnAdd closed is called when an add is closed. OnAdd failed is called when an add request fails. OnAdd impressions is called when an impression is recorded for an add. OnAdd leave is called when an add leaves an app. OnAdd loaded is called when an add is loaded successfully. OnAdd opened is called when an add is opened. As we talked before, banner ads supports different ad size. In this slide, you can see the all dimensions. Smart banner ads are displayed in the same width as screens in any dimensions and in either orientation on different devices. When loading an ad, the Huawei Edge SDK creates an ad view in the same width as the screen according to its orientation on the device. The ad height is determined by the height of the screen in this orientation. In this table, list the smart banner ad heights supported by different screen widths. On a mobile phone, the height of a smart banner ad is 50 dp in portrait orientation and 32 dp in landscape orientation. On a tablet, the height of a smart banner ad is 90 dp in either portrait or landscape orientation. When an ad image is insufficient to occupy the allocated screen space, the system places the image in the middle and fills the remaining space on both left and right side. When using a smart banner ad, specify the ad dimensions by banner_size_smart and the width by match_parent. In addition, you need to specify the ad height by wrap_content because the height may vary on different devices. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information, you can visit developer.huawei.com.